Hello and welcome to yet another tutorial where I'll be showing you how to come up with a design just like this one. Okay, so jumping into Illustrator, I'm going to grab my pen tool, type design, scale it up a bit, something like that. I'm just going to change the font type. That looks okay. Okay, now I'm going to convert this text to curves or outlines, right? Just like that. Then I'll ungroup it, just doing minor adjustments here. Just need to move this to the left a bit. There we go. Grab my shape builder tool and combine these shapes, just clicking and dragging. Right, there we go. Combine everything out and then click unite. Alright, let me come to layers. I'm going to put this text design on the first layer. Just drag it and drop it. Select the second layer. What I want to do is I want to create a background. So I'm just going to draw a rectangle. Going to put a gradient on it. Something like this should do. I'm just selecting the colors that I want to work with. Yeah, that looks fine. So I'm going back to the layer tab. Now I'm going to lock this layer because I don't want to accidentally drag it. Now I'm editing my design here. Go to object, path, offset path. Right. I'm going to click preview to see the changes. I think I'm happy with the offset. Click OK. Now I'm going to combine the offset that was created with my shape builder tool. Click and drag, just like that. Now I'm going to create a gradient for the white design. Okay, that looks fine. Change it to 90 degrees. Just going to change the color a bit here. That's okay. Now I'm going to appearance panel. Then I'm going to drag the stroke down below fill. Change it to white. Then minor adjustments. That looks fine. Okay. Now I'm going to, we have left a little bit here. So I'm just going to combine it with the shape builder tool, just like that. Now I'm going to create another stroke on that black part. Make it white. Drag it below fill. Just going to increase it. That should do it. Something like that. Now I'm going to go to object and rasterize to make it an image, transparent background. That's fine. Okay, let's go to effect. What is it? Pixelate, color halftone. Now these are the values that I'm working with, the ones that I usually do. You can set them just to this one. That's what the effect does. Creates that halftone effect. Now I want to convert this into a vector. So what I do is, let me select it, go to image trace, select silhouettes. There goes. That looks fine. If I'm happy about it, I'm just going to click expand to make them a vector. Now I'm just going to select, change the color, white, let's try yellow. Okay, now I need to add more effects on this one, so just go to function, stylize, drop shadow, click preview. I think that's fine, click OK. I think I need to change this color to white. That should do it. Okay, there we go. We have customized our design. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you like it, please subscribe to my channel so that you can get more videos of this type. Thank you.